Today we're talking about getting set up with Proctorio. For those of you who have not yet downloaded the Proctorio extension, that's what we're going to cover today. I recommend going to proctorio.com/support, and then you can click on Get Set Up Now. There are 3 steps to getting set up, and really it's just the first 2. Step 1 discusses launching a supported internet browser. If you don't already have one of these 4 supported browsers, you'll want to click on one of those links to download the latest and most supported browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this example, and I already have that installed. That's what we are looking at right now. So I'm going to move on to step 2, which says install the Proctorio extension. When I click on this link right here, get the Proctorio extension, you'll see this page and it tells you to click here to install the extension. So that's what I'm going to do. Next, I am prompted with this page that says Secure Exam Proctor, Add to Chrome. I'm going to go ahead and click Add to Chrome. I want to read all of the items here that are listed. It tells you what this exam proctor will do, and I'm going to hit Add Extension. While that extension is being added, you'll see this circle. You may see the little down arrow here up in the upper right hand corner of Chrome, and then you get this pop-up that tells you the Secure Exam Proctor has been added to Chrome. You can always manage your extensions by clicking on the Tool menu and clicking on Extensions and then Manage Extensions. Here you'll see I have the Secure Exam Proctor installed. Now when I return back to Proctorio, the third step is simply to take your exam. So you're going to return to Blackboard, you're going to navigate to the course and the assessment that you're being asked to complete, and you are going to go ahead and take your exam.